A doll's day.
Okay, so this is a Barbie Mattel item. Now, I know it's not new or anything, it's been out for a long time, but I have never been able to find one. But I found this one, only the one actually, at Target. So cute. And here, I'm gonna open it and show you a lot of the little items that I got inside. So, what I was really excited about is the little container that comes in there. Makeups and mirrors and stuff like that are cool. Let's just see what comes out. Okay, so we got a few things. Lipstick, looks like a comb, a mirror, lipsticks, okay. And there's more stuff in there. Empty, good. Okay, so this is adorable. That's a little like nail polish. This box is the best. I love how it's not really pink, it's more like of a peachy color. Clear top so you can see the stuff inside, and it feels nice, strong, and sturdy. This is a little like a eyeshadow container. It does close, and this has a phone that can't be removed from. I can't even hold on to it. Oh yeah. Okay, so it has a phone in there, and the phone can be removed. It stands like that. So, all in all, I think the set is a great set to get, but very hard to find. Even though it's a really old set, I have never been able to find one until just recently. So, hope others are able to find one too soon, because these art pieces are really cute to add to your diorama. The next items I wanted to show you that I was able to get are from the miniverse, the Make It miniverse. This is the beta set, so it looked long and hard for this one. You get a little plant, that's so cute, and best of all, you get a little pink beta. She's so cute. It's hard to see in there because of the glare, but yeah, that's the beta fish. And her little pink sand in the little round glass container or plastic. Let's show you this next one I got on the same day. Okay, so it's a candle set because it has a wax there, and then this is the box of the little cups to put the wax in. And there's the little wicks that go at the bottom of the candles. That's just a tray where you can fix it into a shelf. And here is the little tray where you put the little candles on. It's really hard to see, but it's like it's oval of course, but it's like a white with flecks of pink, different colors of pinks. Really nice. It's the rose candle set. We'll show you the paper. There. That's what they're gonna look like. Understand? I still gotta get more though. I'll let you know when I do. This is my Cindy vintage Cindy wardrobe. Extremely hard to find. I got mine from the UK, shipped recently, and I love the doors. Beautiful. And that's all for our show today, and we'll be coming out with another video soon. Hope to see you then.